Hi guys, it's 1 p.m. here now, and once again, Tonton and I doing something here. So this is our what you call mandarin tree. So we call it sampalok. So I did not manage to video earlier when we are starting to cut this some trees here. So this area was when at night, so very dark in here. That's why I asked Tonton to cut some trees, the top of this tree. So Tonton is expert on climbing the tree. So as you see here now, so as you see, this is the cuts that Tonton did earlier. So this is the mandarin. That's where he first cut those leaves and some stems. So this is a mandarin. We'll let you see, guys. So as you see here, this is a mandarin. So there's still a fruit, so we can get it. As you see, so we can use it. We can use it. You can collect this. You can collect this mandarin. There's a plenty, as you see here. So there it is. There's plenty of fruits, mandarin. So Tonton and I will continue to cut. So Tonton, we're going to climb here. We have our own stair. You see. So Tonton will climb there. So we already cut some here. So these woods, we can still use this for some purpose. So this time we will get some more mandarin.
Ya, chicken. Kita ya. Dia support ko ya. Dito manaknya natin punta. Come on, guys.
Tonton is very expert. Is a young expert with this climbing in trees and cutting some trees because he was born here before I came here. So,
Ya.
oy, ha? Yeah. So as you see, it clears here now. Now, well, Tonton's still cutting their side. So later on, this is going to be the mess here, going to be the problem. I'm going to clean this, as you see. So plenty of mess now. So I'm going to cut it into small pieces so that I can really clean slowly. So Tonton is continue to clean at this lower part of the tree because he cannot manage to cut this side because there's a bee house, so it's dangerous for him and also for us in our house. Maybe if we're going to ruin the bee house, it will attack us and it's dangerous. So now guys, we almost done on cutting these trees here, some portion of trees, and Tonton told me that instead of I'm going to cut this into small pieces, Tonton told me that we have a neighbor that was doing a charcoal. So these woods can be made for charcoal. So Tonton told me that we have a neighbor there who's doing a charcoal. You can get this, and instead of paying him, he will make a charcoal. Then he will just give us a half of on how much he can make a charcoal, either 4 sacks. So he will just give me 2 sacks of charcoal. So we just divide into 2. So that's what Tonton told me. So that's all guys. So I'm going to trim this into small pieces, and some of them are going to make a charcoal. So thank you guys for watching, and hope you like this video, and see you in my another vlog. God bless us all. It's so hot here now. Whew.